Marhaba, I'm Jensuya, this is Drummer Bob, and we're going to do a 5-minute belly dance workout for absolute beginners, focusing on the move that we call the hip drop kick. If you don't already know that move, you should for sure pause this video now and learn it in our tutorial. You'll see a link in the info card and in the description for this video. And then come right back here because we're going to practice it, taking it first 1 hip drop kick per bar, per 4 beats, then 2 per bar, and then we're going to alternate it with hip drops, hip drop kicks on every single beat. But don't worry, because I'm going to cue you on the changes, beginning in the pose that we call Iowa, which you can check out on our tutorial. You probably already have. Yalla Habibi, here we go, starting with a drop kick on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop kick, 2, 3, 4, and drop kick, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually a little bit harder than regular. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do it in twos now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop kick, drop kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop kick, drop kick. All of my weight is on my supporting leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good for balance. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to take it to the other side in 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And drop kick. 2, 3, 4. Drop kick. 2, 3, 4. And drop kick. 2, 3, 4. Drop kick. Drop kick. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack in 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop kick, drop kick. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Dropping on the dooms. Doom, tack, doom, tack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. 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 Now we're going to go to the other side. We're going to alternate first with a hip drop and then a hip drop kick. 4, 3, 2, here we go. And hip drop kick, 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 hip drop kick. You can lower your arms. Drop, kick, drop, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trying to totally isolate the move to just the lower body so the upper body is still, but looks relaxed. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take it to the other side in 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick. Trying to hold my balance. Now this side is actually harder for me. You probably have an easy side and a difficult side too. 1, 2, 1, 2. I've been trying to really strengthen this leg. I spent years not really dancing balanced. That's why I want you to learn it properly from the beginning. Work your difficult side, not just the easy side. You can check out our playlist of common mistakes. See, I'm trying to distract you from feeling the rigor of doing this move. And drop, drop, kick, doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom. Back to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick. Back to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, drop, kick, drop, drop, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count down our last 4 bars starting now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, and 4. Mabruk, congratulations, you're on your way to becoming an awesome belly dancer. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos. What to watch next is another belly dance workout. You can do a challenge or another absolute beginner workout to work on your technique and your drills. We'll see you on the next video.